second graders, it's Mrs. Klein. We're going to do week 3 for our math this week. It is going to be multiplication and division word problems. All right. Okay, so multiplication word problems is where we're going to start first for Monday. When you come in on Monday, this is what we'll be doing. Today I can solve multiplication word problems by using close reading. That means we're really going to be looking at those words and looking at our numbers. So your anticipatory set is to think back the different strategies that you can use to solve multiplication. So this was week 1 that we had, and those would be things like repeated addition, or if we were skip counting or using a number line. Those are the types of strategies that we'd use to be able to figure out multiplication. So here are some multiplication keywords that we're going to be using to help us with our word problems. We have words like times, each, product, area, multiple, multiplied by, that's a nice one, twice, doubled, tripled, per, factor, and the word in all. And the steps that we're going to use to be able to solve our multiplication word problems is first we're going to read the problem. Number 2, we're going to read each sentence one at a time. And then we're going to circle that important information that's in each sentence. Number 3, we're going to use one of those strategies to draw us a picture to help us to find our answer. And then 4, we can write the equation and then we can solve it. So let's try to solve this one. Mrs. Kansick has a dog named Gypsy. She gave Gypsy 4 treats a day for 8 days. How many treats did Gypsy get in all? So thinking back, I'm going to put up my little cheat sheet here to help me with my multiplication words. So I can quickly see I've got this word in all right here. And I saw that we have division, but in all is right here. So I'm like, ooh, that's an important thing for me to know for multiplication. But I also have Gypsy who has 4 treats. So I'm going to circle this 4. I'm going to underline the word treats. And she gets those every single day. And she's going to get it for 8 days. Now notice that I circled my numbers and I underlined my labels. I have different labels. It does not say that she got 4 treats and then she got 8 more treats. It does not say treats. That lets me know I am not adding. I am multiplying. Anytime I have different labels, I'm either going to multiply or I'm going to divide. So that kind of helps me figure that part out. So if she has 4 treats every day, I think I'm going to draw some circles. Here's one day. Here's another day. How many days does she do that? 8 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's my 8 days. And there's going to be 4 treats for every day. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I could write this out this way. I have 8 days. Or I could go the other way. And there are 4 treats in every day. 4 treats every day. So that is 4 times 8. And I know we probably don't know that by heart yet, but we can count all of those little dots to figure out what our answer would be. So we have, this is going to have my equation here. Remember, these numbers are called factors, and I'm looking for my product. Multiplication, products is where we have, is our answer, and that also lets us know. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Boy, I can see why we need to know those multiplication facts because it'd make it a lot faster. So, she has 32 what? Treats is what she has. So we'd write our label to go with it so we know what we're talking about. Okay, there's the first one. I'm going to go on to the next one after I erase this. Okay, let's see what our next problem is for another practice. Okay, Miss Hart loves to ride bikes. She rides her bike 8 miles every day. How many miles does she ride in 7 days? Okay, so I've got Miss Hart who loves these bikes. She loves to ride her bike 8. There's my number 8 miles. And she does this every day, every single day. How many miles did she ride her bike in 7 days? So once again, I have 7 days. So I want to make sure that probably is like Monday through Sunday, because that's 7 days. So every single day she's going to ride her bike. I wonder if it's to go to work. So here I can go, well, she's done this 8. I can go, well, 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. How many times do I do this? 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, that's huge. And I know that 8 plus 8 is 16, and another 8 plus 8 is 16, and another 8 plus 8 is 16, and then I just have this one left over. Okay. Do you guys know that 16 plus 16 equals 32? And then I have another 16 and another 8. So I'm going to add those. I'm going to rewrite this. Going this way, making sure that I've lined everything up in my ones column. 8 plus 6 is 14, plus 2 more is 16. 3, 4, 5. So 56. 56. And what was it that I'm supposed to be putting? That this is 56 days or 56 miles? She's riding 56 miles. You want to make sure that it makes sense. All right, guys, so here's our next problem, another practice for us. Miss Linder, Miss Welter, and Miss Howard each ate 9 Skittles. How many Skittles did they have all together? All right, well, I know that I have, first of all, how many people do we have? We have 1, this is another person, 2, and here's another person. There's 3 people. And they each ate 9 Skittles. So here's 9 Skittles. I've got this keyword each. And I have all together. These are words over here in the multiplication that tell me each and then all together tell me I'm going to be multiplying. So I want to make sure that I multiply my numbers. I have 9 Skittles. I don't have another number. I wonder what that could be. What am I supposed to multiply 9 times what? Oh, there's 3 people. So I bet because each of them are going to have 9, she's going to have 9 Skittles. She's going to have 9 Skittles, and she's going to have 9 Skittles, that I would multiply those together. So I'm going to just write that down as an equation. 9 times, there's 3 people. Let's see if it makes sense. 9 times 3. Well, we haven't learned those yet, so I'm going to go ahead and draw my little picture, and I'm going to have each person. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I know this is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Oh, they're going to have 27. What were we talking about? How? And I go back to the question to help me figure out what I've got to put down here for my label. How many Skittles did they have all together? Skittles is my word. They have 27 Skittles is what they're going to end up eating all up together. Okay. We'll go on to our next practice. Josh ran 6 miles after school every day. On Tuesday, he doubled how far he ran. How far did Josh run on Tuesday? Oh boy. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to circle and underline some key important words. I've got 6 miles. And he does this after school. He does this every day. Every day he's doing this. On Tuesday, though, he doubled. Ooh, here's this big word doubled. Do you know what doubled means? It means he's done it twice, 2 times. How far did he run on Tuesday? So if he runs 6 miles on Monday, 6 miles normally on Tuesday, 6 miles on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, every day he's doing this, and he's going to double only on Tuesday, then I am going to have Josh running 6 miles, and then he's going to double that. That means times 2 is what that means when you double something. Because think about it, if I have 3 cats and I double how many cats I have, that means I have 3 plus 3 more. So we could do this, or we could go, because we don't know our answers yet, we can do 6 plus 6. I have 2 6s. We can use the repeat addition. 6 plus 6 is 12. So Josh, just on Tuesday only, ran 12 miles. Go back to the question so we know what we're going to put this. How far did Josh run on Tuesday? He ran 12 miles. It doesn't have miles in the question, but that answers my question. It's miles. All right, so we've used some repeat addition and some equal groups. Let's see what else we have. We have Henry, who bought 3 boxes of cupcakes. Oh, he brought 3 boxes of cupcakes to school for his birthday. Each box had 8 cupcakes in them. How many cupcakes did he bring total? Okay, we've got the number 3 here, so I'm going to circle my 3. I'm going to underline boxes. They're cupcakes to school for his birthday. I've got this word each. That's telling me that I'm multiplying over here because it's over here in my story. Each box had 8 cupcakes. So I've got my numbers, 3 and 8. I've got boxes and cupcakes. They're not the same labels, so I know I'm multiplying or dividing. How many cupcakes did he bring? Ooh, total. So total and each tell me that I'm going to be multiplying over here. Here's my word each. So I'll make sure that I'm doing that. All right, and a total just means you're going to have all of them. So 3 boxes of cupcakes. 3 boxes of cupcakes, and he has 8 cupcakes in every single box. So that's going to be 3 times 8. Now I have to figure out how to get to my product, which is my answer. Those are my 2 factors. So you can choose different things. You guys can do repeat addition, skip counting, number lines, equal groups. Oh, arrays. Let's try an array. I'm going to make an array with 3. 1, 2, 3. Oops, I'm going to go down 3. And I'm going to put 8 in each one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And every single row is going to have 8 in there. And I'm going to count to make sure that I didn't get 1 extra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, so these are called arrays. And so I have 3 rows. And I put 8 in each one. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Or I could count it this way. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I get 24 either way. Those are arrays. All right, now I go back to my question. How many cupcakes did he bring total? He brought 24 cupcakes total. 1 for the teacher, always. Okay, we'll go on to our next problem. All right, next problem. Ooh, we're going to close up for this one. So I want you guys to write the key information down from this problem on a piece of paper if you can. And then you guys are going to share with me how you solve it. So, what are some key words in here? I'm going to read this to you. Gypsy ate 3 cups of food a day. How much dog food will she eat in 7 days? So what would you circle? What would you underline? And then how would you solve this? Write an equation. Hopefully you noticed the number 3 here and you circled, would have wrote that down, wrote down 3 cups of dog food. How much dog food will she eat in 7 days? My other number is 7. And they're days. So I notice that I have different labels. I know that I'm going to multiply or divide. So we're going to write down 3 times 7. And you can use whatever strategy you want to help you find that answer. You can have 3 7s to add, repeat addition. You could make an array. You can make 3 circles with 7 in each one. I know that 7 plus 7 is 14, and then I have another 7. I'll come over here and write it so I can line up my numbers. This is 11, 21. So we have 21 days or 21 cups of dog food. Okay, so that is day 1. When you guys get done, I want you to go to Study Island and work on your Study Island assignment for week 3. You won't be able to probably get done with all of it, but each day if you work a little bit through it until you get it done. Thanks.